Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can remove camera watermark in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. Sometimes if you mistakenly added watermark to your camera, that is photos taken through your camera will have watermark, and if you don't really want watermark, you simply want plain photos and videos, then you can just remove it. For that, you go to change settings. First I show how watermark will be showing in the photos. First I go to camera and I take a picture of this, and I open the picture that I took, and when I am seeing the picture, in the bottom left side watermark is printed by faculty on, and date and time are showing. If you don't want this watermark, you can remove it, but for future photos and videos you can remove it. For current photo you cannot remove, and for further photos you take through camera of your phone, you can remove. Before that, you go to set it. First go to these three vertical dots and click on settings icon here and click on watermark and turn off this button. Now simply turn off and come back to camera and take a picture. Now I take a picture of this pen drive and I open the picture that I took, and when I am seeing this picture, there is no watermark either in bottom left side or right side or upper left side or right side. It's a plain photo. So in this way, if you would like to have the plain photo, just turn off the watermark and simply you can take few pictures in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.